Hello everyone, how are you doing guys? Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning. Where you watch us, where you time you watch us. And today I'm so happy because we have an amazing session here making the contributions in the project JNoSQL. And Max, go ahead. I, I'm
Amazing.
very happy today if I starting. Oh, if I if I don't break it, I don't stop the talk. Go ahead.
Oh, amazing. Yeah, so I'm very happy. So welcome everyone that is watching us. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. So letting us know where are you watching us right now. So in the chat, so feel free to send us messages or questions or anything related to software development. We will try to help you. And if we cannot help you by now, we will find out someone that can help you.
This
that's
is
it.
true.
That is the feeling, the good vibe that we are trying to bring to our community, and so on. So amazing. So today we got a good opportunity because we are coming back from a little yato last week, and we will
And
today
Max,
we will do a real live coding. And today the code pilot will be Gabriel. Gabriel will contribute today to JNoSQL, trying to solve a little piece of the issue that we have been working on during the sessions. Because once this issue is getting done, the JNoSQL will be able to release the 1.1.00 version. So I think that it's so important for the project, because we need to get out from the snapshot version. so let me share my screen. Could I do this? Could I do or oh
I will share my screen because I have control the code today, and you help me only to make the changes.
sure, no
Perfect.
worries.
Oh, and okay, guys. Uh, the issue Max told for yours is this issue. And we need to update the version, the project and POM and the POM. And then we resolved a lot a lot that base now, and but we need to finish uh, all all that
Yeah,
base, and then we need finish Arango graphic being where with big validation is here.
yeah. Well, it looks go to the top of the message. Go
I
to the
think
top of
it's the
the
top
issue, please.
best.
Yeah, because we are we holding the task list updated on there, on the beginning and the description of the issue. Could you see that?
Yes, we resolved the Skilla, Redis,
Yeah,
U4J, MongoDB, MongoDB, Elasticsearch, CodeDB, Codebase, Cassandra, Bing Validation, and ArangoDB. We
yeah,
solved the Arango graphical Janus, graphic Neo4j remote, Hazelcast, Janus, graphic Memcached. But
yeah.
today, we get the first and the Hazelcast. I am right, Max?
Yeah, yeah, it's okay. Oh, main cache is one that Bruno is working on.
Yes,
If you take a look on the bottom of the issue, you will see that he asked to work on it. So let's concentrate. Let's focus on another module in order to avoid any kind of conflict that it could be could be rising on our in front of us. So let's do this. And you did you already synchronize your fork project and your so on? Oh, oh, I just figure out that you don't follow me
No,
on
no, no, no.
GitHub.
I follow you. I follow you.
Oh, follow now.
I follow.
No, you aren't.
You hear?
Oh, great, great. Oh,
It's a GitHub have bug. GitHub have bug.
okay. Thanks. Okay. So, in your have you get ready your machine to do this?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
I have the here in the project Hazelcast, and the
Great.
guys.
Have
Uh,
you update the repository? Looks like.
I update now.
Okay. So,
I
oh,
I
great.
I will sync now.
Yeah. Your
Range.
branch is out of date. Out of date.
Uh, Now it's Cinco, Couch, and the
Amazing.
Max don't like using UI.
No, no. Yeah, it's a personal decision for myself to keep holding using terminal.
Nah, nah.
But
But return the code. And before everything, guys, we need to see documentation about Hazelcast, right? Like
right.
I have knowledge about Hazelcast now, and I have idea how functions Hazelcast. How Hazelcast working, and now we need to see here in documentation, like if you need to install on Docker or need to install another thing or only the play like E2 database using the string. Oh, and here it's a Hazelcast, guys. Hazelcast in computer. Hazelcast is open source project in memory data grid based on Java, and this is very very amazing, guys, because we how can say we don't need to install any things to use in this database, like
Yeah,
only
interesting.
part. Sorry.
No, it's interesting. Go
Yes,
ahead.
and it's only part this project in the poll, and we can run the project with Hazelcast, and to figure out before we change the poll, change the version, we can figure out if it's running now, right?
Please, Gabriel, before to continue, please, could you increase the size of your phone because
Oh, perfect.
the screen is so small.
Oh, no worries.
Blind people, you be grateful.
It's here. It's 26. It's maybe it's good, and this
Yeah,
size is good,
yeah, I think so. Yeah,
or 28.
oh, it's good.
20,
It's good. 2080 is good.
okay. You can read.
Oh, really? Yeah, actually, the only problem is that we cannot read better the name of your project Explorer. You
Oh,
we
you
but
don't
that's
need.
okay. That's good. That's good. Go ahead, please. It's
You can see name the class here. You haven't named the project and named the archives. It's no problem.
yeah.
And the guys, this is very very amazing because I told for you, and we don't need run containers to use in this Hazelcast,
Oh,
this
great.
database. And
Oh,
then here,
could you show us the configuration, the micro profile properties, because it's very
Yes,
interesting.
the micro profile properties. It's only this.
Oh,
Is
great.
you need put instance in the Hazelcast and where you using? It's a develop. It's a project. It's a how can I say it's a profile.
Yeah, it's
I think
yeah,
it's the
this
same.
configuration, is telling us that we will use the key value API of JNoSQL. So instead of to use document family database, NoSQL database, we're gonna use key value NoSQL database. So it's very interesting. But and but there is no more information about how that that thing will get started. Probably the extension will be responsible for start up the database and so on. I think so. Am I right?
Yes, you're totally
Okay,
right.
great, great. But do you will run the code firstly before to change it before to get
Yes,
it?
I will make
Okay,
this. I will make this to show the guys because I
great.
don't using containers that I can show. I think this is server C. Yes. Yeah, so you can see I don't have a Docker machine
Great.
running here. And like how can I say plug in and play or the better download and play.
Okay, so I got another question.
Okay.
I know I'm I'm a little curious about that because the previous one we have been needed to ramp up a Docker, something like that, and this one looks like it it runs on in memory the database implementation, make those things work. Um, but the main goal of this issue is to upgrade the structure, the dependencies to the new JNoSQL database extension. Am I right?
Yes,
Right
you're
now,
right.
right, this one is pointing to old version of the project. I think that if you hold the mouse under the project version variable, you will see the version of the dependencies that we are using in the project. But hold on, go back to the Hazelcat. Yes, click on the version of the JNoSQL Hazelcast dependency in your dependencies, please. Did you see the version tag is pointing to the 1.0.0 uh,
Slash
slash
B6.
no, so B6 version. So we are using a old version, and
Yes, I use
probably
it. Yes, I using here old version,
sure.
uh, and this old version is running. I don't run the project here
Okay.
for you see. I want to run the first project for you see is in the project to run, and before we update and try again.
Oh,
And like
great.
now, I want to show to guys, and this project is running. Like I play here and I run the app. I will stop in the return. It's because it's a micro profile and stop in the return. And the project is run, and then here we need to wait a little seconds. Max, play the music. Finish. And here is great. It's great. And then here we have two salts system output LN. And this salts we have the information used in safety and entity found, right? It's a is normally the save and the and the find. And then here we have the use it, and then you define it here, and the same things here. We get the result in that base.
Yeah, looks like this second output is related to the information that was retrieved from database.
Yes, and
Yeah,
same
great.
thing on the second project and the app 2.
Could you I think that you could explain what's happening on the code. Maybe it will it it's a good opportunity to do that.
Oh, it's a very how can I say, it's very easy
Simple one,
to
I think.
understand. Yeah, it's very simple. Here we create an object with these variables and the set font, set username, set a name and build it. And after this, you get the repository and the try. I need I need to see here because I don't see before the live. I make this project now. See the container and initialize the what this?
It is it's the CDI. It's the
Yes,
CDI. Yeah.
and start CDI. And try if we don't work and we get a trouble. And after this, we get in the repository and select, making the select, and the make and make no make sorry and the save user. And then here we realize in the find by ID by name, we put name the user, and then here we print the result. It's a not very complex code.
Sure.
It's a
Great.
very easy,
Yeah.
and you can enter in the repository and verify it's the using the CRUD repository. Don't have a things very complex. It's very easily. And then here we have entity with uh, with the annotation ID, and here I is very strange. The first time I don't see the column with uh, annotation.
Well, we can see. Let's see the output of the project just to see, just figure out. Could you open the output? I think you could go to the run. Yes. Let's see. Okay, looks like it was able to store that thing. It's very interesting. Let's see that if this behavior still works in the new version. Okay, but
Okay,
very interesting. This is a
and
good way to understand how those things works,
yeah,
and we could figure out what's happening behind the scenes. And based on that, we could figure out any kind of issue, and based on that, we could contribute because if we face some problems, we could uh, detect where is the problem and make this difficulty in an opportunity to contribute. So, oh, let me say hello to Bruno Barros. Bruno Barros on the chat. So, hello, Bruno. How are you
for
doing?
doing
We hope that you are working so hard because he gets the main catch it module to be great. So, oh, great. Oh, Bruno, Sounds API, we don't need to specify the column notation. It will automatically use the name of the field. Yeah, it's true for Pojo, for plain old Java objects. I think so. I'm not sure if it is the same for records because Looks like JNoSQL supports to use records as entity, and it will allow us to use that. We could do some tests during the session. Am I right, Gabriel? We can change a little bit the code just to figure out if everything's working. But that's okay. Great. Thanks, Bruno, for sharing your knowledge. So this is a great way to learn more about that thing. And thanks for sharing your opinion. Thanks again. So okay, let's see what we need to do right now. What
and
is step, Gabriel?
and now we see it's working, and you extended the code. I think we can go the change the verse in the project. I am right. And now, Max, I don't remember our process, and I want you
Okay,
to help
great.
me.
Okay, no
And
worries.
and yes, and I don't enter another project. Oh, I can enter for verify one thing. It's get the
Yes,
version.
I
Yes.
can explain to you if you want. I can explain to you. I can
Oh,
explain.
okay. Thank you. I
Okay,
don't
so
remember, guys. Have a long time, and that I don't
no
make
worries, no
contribution.
worries. It's part of it's normal. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to figure out
Having
the
this
premise
version.
that you need to put your pawn project. So probably you need to use a special group ID to find out this one. So um, I think that you could use the group ID, for example, instead of to use the org dot eclipse dot JNoSQL dot communication. I think that you should use JNoSQL dot databases.
Sorry, JNoSQL
Databases.
communication.
Databases. No, no, databases.
Oh, perfect. That basis.
I think it's a databases. In order to make that thing works, delete the other contents, the other no, sorry, the artifact ID and the version ID. Please remove those things. I
Remove.
think this, yes, and you will be able to, after the last dot, you could, yes, great.
Oh,
So but you need to change the artifact ID. So let's find out.
hazen. And I
No,
write.
no. I
Oh,
think it's the easiest way is to to use the autocomplete
it's out completely.
capability. So remove this one, yes, and type no the name, yes. Try to find out if it is.
Don't
Oh,
have it.
okay. Doesn't have, and let's see. Let's see. Maybe. Um, hold on. Let me figure out that. Very interesting because maybe it was a little change. Let me see. Hazelcast. Hazelcast. This one. Oh, oh, yeah, it is. I think that you could use no
Snapshot.
snapshot. Yes. Also, you could go to the JNoSQL database repository and get that from there. I will send you on a WhatsApp. Okay,
Okay.
so you could go to there and get information from there. It's the easiest way to do this. Can you see?
I opened my WhatsApp.
That's okay. It's normal. It's part of the process. We are alive. We are doing that thing alive. So
Yes, I don't. I how can I say I don't have problem
yeah,
with this.
but try to instead of to go to there, look to documentation. Probably has a cache. Put here it is. But the version is one that you should replace when you put in your code. Okay, so get this one and put in your repository. Yeah, and also we don't need any more about JNoSQL mapping key value because this dependency will bring this thing implicitly. Okay,
Okay,
so and the version you should change because we should use the snapshot version, but instead of to type a snapshot version, you use a variable to do that. So you put version, but you use the dollar and use a specific Maven variable. So you need to put the brackets. I think so. No, no, no. I don't remember right now in English the name of the character.
say
I
in
mean,
Portuguese. I don't see problem. And
Chaves. I mean,
oh, and key.
yeah. And inside of this one, you just type JNoSQL dot version. Yes, this is the one. So try click on the update. I think everything will be solved. Great. Probably some issues regarding import classes and something like that could be appear in your code because
Yes, and it's working.
great.
And
Before to go ahead, go back to the documentation, please. Yeah, scroll down a little bit. Let's see. Let's understand what's happening to do. Okay, so this the configurations is telling us that this API provides the cache class to programmatically. Hold on, scroll up, please. No, go back. Yeah, stop. Let's read the documentation. No. Oh
sorry,
man,
I recognize.
what are you doing? No man, what are you doing?
Wait, man.
Yeah,
Because you can write
no,
read this part and I
put zone on it. Put zone on it. Increase the zone.
can where
Man, I can read it because it's so small. Man.
oh Max, you need glass.
No, that's okay. Yeah, I need a glass. Okay, so let's see. Let's read the documentation. Okay, so the configuration phrase right here, please. This API provides the Hazelcast configurations
Configuration.
class to programmatically establish the credentials. Please note that you can establish properties using the microprofile config specification. Okay, great. Let's still read the documentation. Okay, so this property What means the instance name unique identified. It has a cast instance created by this configuration. This name is used in different scenarios, such as identifying the Hazelcast instance when running multiple instances in the
It's
same
the
game.
same engine.
Okay, okay. I don't know if it's required. You need to see. You need to see if it's required. Okay.
Okay, I think
So
it's only the configurations you required. It's this is having this
yeah, but
point,
look.
and
Yeah.
I want test now, like figure out
Okay. Okay. Go
and
ahead. Go ahead. Feel free
figure
to
out
do that.
if
Feel
it's
free to do
working.
that.
I have idea. I have idea. Probably
Are
don't
you
work.
are you play the drums just like that? Okay, the drums
Okay.
and the sound effects. I,
Okay.
I'm in a good shape right now. I'm in a good way. Okay, so
And
are you
verify like it's more, how can I say, have more emotion
okay?
to resolve
Okay,
the problem. Like, oh, you change the one thing and it don't run, and oh my gosh, this things don't work with me.
let's see. Let's see.
And try, and
What?
now we try run and working.
Oh, great! Congratulations, Gabriel.
Like, don't. I love the verify, like change one thing and try the run, because I am very anxious people, and you say, oh no, we need to read the documentation. No, I want to see if run. If don't run, okay, and we go to the documentation.
Okay, you are more proactivity. You are proactivity.
But now we verify. Oh, okay, it's code
No, that's
run.
okay. Okay, okay. I
Like,
got it. I got it. I got it.
now we
But
can.
let test the second class. I remember that there is two class to be tested. Am I
I
right?
run both.
Both ones. Oh,
Yes,
oh, amazing,
here.
amazing,
User say da, da,
amazing.
da, da,
Congratulations,
and
congratulations.
the user found da, 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 da.
Let me call the people to share to crowd sharing. Okay, it's amazing. Congratulations. So great. So I what is the next step, Gabriel?
Oh, step is a make commit.
Commit the changes. Okay, so okay, okay, go
But
ahead, go ahead.
wait,
You put a music right here. Do you
no,
wanna
no,
listen
no, wait,
music?
wait, wait. It's slow down the crazy shouting. It's a similar music. We can need documentation is very important. Like, we jumped this step because I'm very anxious, but I think it's very cool. We read like superficial, make a superficial reading this documentation about Resolcast, because if we have a trouble in the future, we have idea how solve this problem,
Amazing.
right? And
Right, right. Yeah,
oh,
I think that you are in good shape. I think that you could
oh,
commit a
Max,
change and
Max,
open the PR.
Max, stop the music, please. I don't hear you.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God! And now,
Oh, it's better.
and now, no, no,
Is it possible to hear
no.
you? And I don't hear you, and I hear me. Guys,
Why? My microphone is so it's not working. My
no,
microphone.
your microphones work, but the platform make a mix your voice with sound.
Really? Oh,
Yes,
oh. Okay, I will stop it.
and
Okay.
you can play the music, but you need put
I
in this
tried, man. I tried,
loop.
but it doesn't work. So
It's not work.
I will not put music anymore.
And guys, we read and verify the appointment and the whole using the Hazelcast. We have the Hazelcast repository if you want to use the carry oh Max, I've name escaped in my mind. Carry
And,
named
I think it's custom carry,
yes,
carry
custom
kind of.
carry. And here we have templates about this project.
Oh, look,
Now,
look. Bruno is saying that that he can hear us over the music. For me, the music is so slow. It is lower than our voice. Well, well, I'm a blind guy, and then Gabriel is can listen so well. So maybe we shouldn't keep that thing simple.
oh guys, I have a problem with focus.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! And there is a comment right here. Coloca Cassinão. Oh, Thiago Lino. Oh, hi,
What
Thiago.
is?
How are you
I
doing?
never did casino.
I don't know who it is. Who Casino is. Sorry, guys.
I never
Because
heard.
we tried, but Gabriel don't want to talk with music in the background. Okay, so okay, what kind of format are you using in your commit, Gabriel?
Yes,
Please.
I Bruno right here, and I copy and paste the text and change only uh and change only the include.
Really? Are you following the cop pasting oriented programming? Am I right? It
Yes,
is.
this is the best technique.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Okay.
update version to use in JNoSQL, and I
Yeah.
here and I specify the database.
Yeah. I think that you could hold the short in a lowercase, but the main thing is
Okay,
once we
database.
want to yes once we want to contribute to JNoSQL, we need to follow the contribution guide. So, guys, people on the chat, if you want to contribute with any kind of open source project, I recommend you to pay attention to the documentation guide. Probably, if the project that you are trying to contribute is serious one, probably a contribution guide is on there, so pay attention with that because it will avoid to face problems with PR refused. Okay, so I know that when we contribute with a kind any project, we hope that our contribution will be accepted and so on. But sometimes it's not possible. Sometimes the decision is to decline and so on, and it's that it happens. But we need to pay attention with the documentation because one of the facts that makes our PR be declined is to doesn't follow the the patterns, the norms, the guide that the projects holds. Okay, so that's my recommendation, guys. Okay, so oh look there. Look that. Um, Mateus Cruz is on the chat. So hi, hi,
Hi,
Mateus.
Mateus. How are you doing, man?
It's very nice to see you here with us. And that's it.
Oh,
So,
and Mateus, I have a big news for you. You walked us in the hat. Now we have this talking in Portuguese and working
oh,
very
really? Yeah.
well.
We will say that. We will say that before, after your comment,
Oh,
your push
okay,
up. Okay. So,
okay.
so
I will
go,
make
go
this.
ahead, Gabriel. Go ahead, and
I make my
finish your
comment.
contribution.
Update version to use it in Hazelcast
Yeah.
database.
Before to push up, man. Are you? Oh God.
What do you
What
want to say?
what branch have you worked? Did you understand?
No, I
No.
work
I
in
got it.
my
I got
personal
it. I
branch.
got. I got it. You create a branch called Hazelcast. Okay, great, amazing. You already did. Amazing.
Oh, I am here very quickly,
Yeah,
like
you are
like
so systematic. You
uh,
are so
Relâmpago
proactive.
McQueen. Ciao.
Okay, go ahead. So, yeah. One recommendation that I like to say to you, Gabriel, is to mention by reference which kind of which issue you are trying to solve. Okay, so I used to put ref column, semicolon, and the link of to the issue because it will link your PR to the issue, and it will make easier to code reviewer to figure out what's happening and why you did these changes. So it's very important. And then you could also use markdown tags, markdown syntax because it supports. Okay.
Okay, but I don't. I can use this.
No,
I
I think that you could hold that thing because the markdown will still it will help you. GitHub you helping you to hold that thing in the best way. So, but before to I think that you should describe which kind of link is that. Okay, so I think that you could put on a yeah, sure. And the, in the next session, I think that you could use markdown or here, for example, hashtag. You you define space. Please put a space and put the changes. You can see that the descriptions support markdown syntax. So if you click on on a preview, you can see the changes. Okay. All right, look at the Bruno's comment. Tomorrow is feriado, is holiday. Just push it into the main directory, Gabriel.
yes.
Amazing
I
comment.
love this. Today is a Friday, guys. We
Today's
have
our first Friday of the week.
yes.
Not here in Brazil, okay, of course, not here in Brazil. But we are safe because we are in safe place. This project that Gabriel is working on is a sample code, is not a production code.
Oh, and Max. the new version.
Go ahead, please.
And I think it's okay. I describe things in the work I'm making, and I will create my pull request
I think that you could.
and I
Okay.
notation the Ruben and Otávio, please please uh, verify if it's good. It's not. Please verify.
I will decline it.
But
Because today is Friday. There is no
oh,
square.
I say one thing is very very
No, 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 no.
interesting.
Okay.
How can I say? I have idea where you live. I have your address.
Yeah,
If
I'm
you
a
decline
leader.
my PR,
I need to use my powers, my committee power, my computer powers that I got, and I will look. The the check, the action was started because I put my finger on a button. I
really?
find. Okay, looks.
It's
Let's see if everything is working. Of course, there is no tests on there, but at least the compilation you run, and if something is missing, it will show me up. Oh, Bruno is laughing with us. Yes, together. Laugh together.
complete
Yeah.
job, please, Otávio, and Max and Otávio, please verify.
Okay.
Uh, and we realize more one contribution, realize more one
Yeah.
beautiful life.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me check. Hold on. I will hold on a pull request because
I send the link for you. Oh,
oh, was
converted.
finished. Okay, okay. Look. Congratulations again. You did one more contribution. Before to do that, I will go. It's part of our job. We need to hold everything updated. If you go to the sample, I will update right here this one in order to keep that thing solved. If you take a look on the head on the issues, you can see that Hazelcast was checked as completed. No,
Yes,
no,
it's completed.
what, hold there. Yes,
Oh, it's complete.
and I will change right here a little bit because I'd like to. Oh God, hold on. I will vinculate the PR right here. Hold on. I can do this.
Oh, do you want to share your screen?
No, no, hold on. Stay there. Stay there. You see that thing works.
Okay.
So I can go here and put the link right here and update it. And can you see?
Yes.
Great, great. So that's it. So we got 12 models migrated from of 18 ones.
Yes,
So
and now we can migrate.
we still have six modules to be migrated to be solved, and
Oh,
we need to work on it. in order to make sure that we are in good shape to release the version 1.0.0. Oh, oh, Bruno is saying that
I
he's
will
going
I
work
will
on the
put
main catch day. So thanks, Bruno, for this for this work. So for that amazing job that we are doing together. So we are moving this project ahead together. So this is good to know that. Amazing. So we today okay. So we if you guys want to work on something like that, feel free to go to the repository and put on the comments saying that I mean I'd like to work on it. So just feel free to do this. And before to end up the session, I'd like to say thank you for Java Meetup São Paulo because they already released our record session that we did in Portuguese on their community, their Java community, and it was amazing session. Am I right, Gabriel? And
yes.
you could check it out after this meeting just to see how those things works. We could what we present on there, Gabriel. Could you explain to them?
Sorry, I understand you
Could you explain to them? Could you talking a little bit
about
about what we present we have presented on the talk on the meetup on Java
yes. This
Java
is a
meetup call.
presentation. We talking about JNoSQL. It's a very very how can I say, it's a very normally, but we created a little application, a little game. It's a JNoPo. It's a joking po. Impossible you never play. It's a rock paper scissor or scissor paper rock. I don't know. But we created a game with this we create a game in this game you using JNoSQL like to input input datas about the user, like user Max is a loser, and because Max only lose, don't win one times. and we put this object in the JNoSQL using uh, oh my gosh, using NoSQL with JNoSQL, and then we show for guys how you can use this. We open the code, we put times to guys and play with us to get datas, and it's a very very amazing talk. And my recommendation, Max, you can share here or send me the link, or I will share now to guys watch this video, because it's a great opportunity to see me and Max talking about DenoSQL in Portuguese. It's a very difficult. uh, you in another side of the screen see me and Max talking about DenoSQL in Portuguese, and you have the great opportunity now to see me and Max talking Portuguese.
Yeah, yeah. We have been speaking in Portuguese in local meetup, Brazilian meetups. So, but we are also planning to talk in English as well in an international conference. So let's see if we will be accepted to talking to about that. We are planning to do this. Maybe we will practice more because we know that English should be in good shape to speak on the front of the audience. But I think that we are in good shape, Gabriel. You should we need to to expose ourselves. You understand? We need to expose
Yes.
ourselves if you want to get something. You understand? So I think it's amazing one. So we have been sharing the link on the script on the chat. So go to there after this meeting, okay? We will be amazing to see, and also put comments on there. We will be able to see that thing, and that's it, guys. I think that we are in good shape. I think that we could go ahead. I don't know, Gabriel. Maybe we could share our our QR code. I think so. Let me see.
What do you say, care code about
I
JNoSQL?
yeah,
Okay.
no, I think our social media links, because maybe anyone that is watching us could be easier to find out. So hold on, I open right here and you will be able to see that thing. So I will share right here, and also we could hold on. Right, that's it. So feel free to reach out us. Just scan our QR codes, and you will be able to talking to us. And last. Oh, look, Bruno has a question. Oh, have a question. What will be the flavor of the cake? Bringing alive. Oh, well, we don't it is the first time that we are releasing something in a lot related to JNoSQL. So it's the first time that we are participating on. But we can think about, oh, maybe, let's see, if I don't know where it will be released. I think that it will be releasing soon, maybe at the end of the month will be the date. But we can think something. Am I right, Gabriel? We can think
Yes.
about something to help you guys. Maybe we could explore some piece of the project together. Maybe we could bring more people, relevant people, to our session. Maybe we could. I will invite Otavio Santana again to talking about that project, to talk about the under about the stuff under the hook. It's very interesting. Maybe it's a good opportunity to understand how the how it is the process that we are working on. So I think it's amazing. Also, Gabriel, would you like to say something? Maybe we could. Well, next Friday. I don't know.
Next, yes, next Friday we probably try uh, entering the live with guest to talk. After we needed this conversation about this after live, and I don't have more news. And the Friday we have a big news about another week, next week. Sorry, because the next week is TDC and we communication of how in the Coffee with Java working the next week. And I don't have many things to say more, but only my thank you, Max, to help me the first is contribution. And guys, I'll see you in the next session. Okay, and Max,
Okay,
now it's
amazing,
to you.
amazing, amazing. So that's it, guys. I'd like to thank you for being here together. So to join us to see that things work and then make that thing work. So I hope that that it will be enjoy during the session. If you think that this content is relevant to you or relevant for a friend, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, to click on the sign up button, to be notified when we book another session. So it will be amazing. Okay, Gabriel, let's go.
Let's go, Max.
Okay, see you guys
See you
next
guys
time. Bye
next
bye.
time. Bye bye.